For the repair of Hyundai HIAN08, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 220-volt AC power supply and a portable tester. At first, we tripped the breaker manually.
We perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 40 seconds. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly.
It is now clear that the ACB HIAN08 is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.